Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Droyo offline. Let's begin. Now, let me tell you that using Droyo offline is a straightforward process because it provides a desktop application and a browser-based offline mode. Now, one of the key things that you need to remember is that when you click the start button, if you go to the website, you would be forwarded to this section wherein you will be asked, where do you want to save your Droyo files? All right, because we're going to be using Droyo offline as a separate standalone desktop app, we might want to choose the device, which will give it the native download option, saving option to your local computer, and of course, save it to your folder. Now, you need to go back again to the homepage because you now need to click the download button because this will provide you an option to download the Windows installer if you're using Windows or using the Mac OS. It's up to you. If you click on that, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and you'd be able to open the Droyo app. And then from here, you can create a new diagram or open an existing diagram. Of course, we're going to create a new diagram, and from here you can obviously select the file name. I'm gonna click this as this one right here. You see, you can in the file name section, you can basically use a different file formats for saving. The native file for Droyo is going to be the XML file or .droyo. You also have an option for the editable bitmap image, which is .png, and editable vector image SVG HTML file .html. You have multiple options here. You can choose from any of the following templates, from class diagram, flowchart, org chart, swim lane, and any relationship diagram, sequence, Kanban, cross-functional flowchart, placeholder, and mind maps. If you want to start from scratch, click on the blank diagram and you would be forwarded here, and wherein you can obviously change all of these. You can add, for example, multiple options here by placing all the diagrams that you wanted. You can go to the flowchart if you want. You can put in as many as flowchart that you could. It's all up to you. You're not limited with the scale. If you want to add an entity, you also have, you can do that. You can add it here. For the UML, you can also add something like this. All right. For example, that. You can also add in, for example, I'm going to select this everything here plus this. I'm going to drag them down. I'm going to add an image. I'm going to resize it. And then once you are happy with the diagram that you have created here in Droyo, all you have to do, you see that, you click the save button, Control+S. All right. And then on the file section, you have multiple options to export. For example, if you want to export it as PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, PDF, and a lot more. For example, we're going to be exporting it as a PNG. You have multiple options here. All right. You can click the transparent background, shadow grid, and click the export button. It would be forwarded to the desktop computer, wherein you have to save it locally since you are using the Droyo offline. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.